All right, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
This is the one, I can feel it. Good old Kawasaki versus KTM. You go outside, I go inside.
Fuck!
Does he lose it?
Hell no.
Here, neck in neck. We'll go outsides. Oh! Right there.
That was fucking awesome.
Oh no!
I route didn't hit a tree. I'm
No
still here.
way! He saved it! Oh my god, I even cut off because I felt bad. I was like, oh, I fucking fucked him up totally.
So
Oh.
you're back at the start line, or
No, you're good. Keep going. I'm right behind you. I pulled off the track a little bit. I'm right behind you still. That was amazing. I felt so bad. That little tiny tap was. If we didn't have 130 ping difference, I guarantee you we could get some good like plays going.
Oh yeah. Well, hey, they've been putting fiber optic in front of my house.
Well, is it just the server or is it me? Because I feel like this is a me thing with the ping.
Oh shit.
Aw, man.
I looked up at what our ping was.
Hey, that's not.